Good afternoon, guys. I am Giovanni Lopez. Today I'm going to show you an important topic. Before to start the class, I'm going to ask some questions. Please, if you say the question, raise your hands. The first question is, what are you doing when you wake up? See? Excellent, good. The other question is, what are you doing on the weekend? See? Excellent, good job. Now I'm going to write the topic that we are going to develop in class. Well, the topic for today is a simple present tense. Do you know what is a simple present tense? No? Don't worry, I'm going to explain you today. Simple present tense is a verb tense. When we use a simple present tense, we use a simple present tense for to explain daily routine, habit, and also we use a simple present tense for to timetable. Now I'm going to explain you some rules that we use in affirmative sentence when we use simple present. But before to start, I need to know or I need to show you something that is important when you use a simple present. The first is that we need to use the third person singular. What does mean? Well, we have the first person singular, that is I, and the plural is we. So the second person singular and plural we have you, and the plural you, because you es tú o usted, and you ustedes. And that the most important is this, because we use in the simple present tense is the third person singular that we use today. It's he, she, and it, and the plural is they, but focuses on the third person singular. Well, I'm going to explain you the first rule. Please pay attention. The first rule is the use of the ls. We add the s at the most verbs when we use the simple present. For example, the first rule is we add the s at the verb. For example, she called. We add the letter s. The other rule, the rule number 2 that we are going to discuss today is when the verbs ending in o, x, c, s, w, s, sh, ch, we add the es. For example, teacher, but what happened with the verbs? Exactly. We add, the rule says, when the verb ending in o, we add es. So, and Carla goes to the park. Now, we are going to the rule number 3. When the verbs ending in y, we add the ies. Follow the example. Why we les? Exactly, because the verb is the base form. The verb is if the rule say the verb that ending in y we lies. So now I'm going to explain you the rule number 4, that is the verb have. So many people has a mistake when we use this verb. For example, and many people have a mistake when we use the verb have, because they forgot that the he or she it is the third person singular. It means that we have the verbs have a little change. The correct form is he has a car. And the last one rule is the modal verb. When we use a modal verb, we don't s the letter s. For example, when we use a modal verb, we don't use or we don't l the letter s, because we are doing a mistake. The best form is etc. Well, now is your turn. I will give you a sheet of paper and you complete the space in the sheet of paper, please. We have 2 minutes to complete this exercise. Please, quickly. The time is over. Student, give me a sheet of paper, please. Thank you. Now I'm going to check some exercise that you develop. Okay, it's excellent. Now it's your turn to complete and create a sentences using the simple present tense. Apply the rule that I'm going to explain you today. Please, we have 1 minute to do this. Well, the time is over to create your sentence. Please, Danny, tell me your sentence. Carla, go to the excellent, good job. Now I'm going to give you a feedback about the topic that we are going to develop today. The topic is the simple present. The simple present, when we use a simple present, we use a simple present to express habit, timetable, and routine. And we have affirmative sentence. We have 5 rules that explain it today. When the verb, at the mouth of the verb, we add the letter s. Can you tell me the other rule that we are discussing today in the class, please? Can you tell me? Well, the second rule, what is the second rule that we use today? Yeah, when the verbs end in O, X, S, W, S, S, H, and CH, we S, exactly, we S the ES. We have the third rule that we today. Can you give me an example, please? Yes, exactly. And we have the rule number 4. What was rule number 4? The verb have, exactly. Good job. Excellent. Applausos. Now, the last rule that we started for today was the modal verbs. Excellent. Good job. Well, the class is finished for today. Don't forget, do the homework that create 5 sentences using the 5 rule and affirmative sentence. Please don't forget. Thank you.